Dear brothers and sisters, taqwa, piety, God consciousness is what is a lived reality on a daily basis, every moment. But taqwa has a season, and that is the season of Ramadan. That is the season of fasting. كُتِبَ عَلَيْكُمُ الصِّيَامُ كَمَا كُتِبَ عَلَى الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. Fasting was prescribed upon you as it was prescribed on nations prior to you, so that you could become more God conscious, so that you could become more aware of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And so taqwa is a daily reality, but it has a season in which it dawns upon us in a very special way, and we hope that it carries us well throughout the rest of the year until we live out the rest of our lives and meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, hopefully as people of taqwa. But taqwa also has a place where it's generated. And that place is the masjid. And it's always very interesting to see Salat al-Jumu'ah get more crowded on the Fridays of Ramadan, because Jumu'ah is fard inside of Ramadan and fard outside of Ramadan. And it's interesting to see how full the masajid are for Fajr and Isha, for the different salawat outside of Ramadan, realizing that what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put in the reward of these prayers inside the masjid, outside of Ramadan, is greater than what you would find in a voluntary prayer like Salatul Taraweeh, but still it doesn't translate into that connection. And what I want you all to sit with for a moment, connecting the moments that we are in as we bid farewell to Ramadan over whatever is left of it, to the moments of uncertainty that we feel outside in the world, the challenges to our faith in these moments, the very real problem that many people have, or conundrum where I don't know if I can raise my kids to be Muslim in this environment because of all of the pressure and everything that's going to happen. The question that we all ask ourselves, will I die as a Muslim? Will I die upon a good death? Will I have a good ending? May Allah Azza wa Jal give us a good ending, husn al-khitam, not just in Ramadan, but outside of Ramadan. It's deeply connected to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put in these places, the place that you are sitting in right now. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu ta'ala anhu says, and this is the narration I want to sit with, and I want you to sit with, and play it through your mind over and over again, especially in the days that follow Ramadan. It's in Sahih Muslim that Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Man sarrahu an yalqa Allah ghadan musliman فليحافظ على هؤلاء الصلوات حيث ينادي بهن." He said, whoever wants to meet Allah tomorrow as a Muslim, it's powerful language. Whoever wants to meet Allah as a Muslim, whoever wants to die as a Muslim, die as a believer, then let him meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by preserving the prayers in the places that they are called. If you want to meet Allah as a Muslim, then keep coming to meet Allah in the masjid, spiritually through your prayer.